As the saying goes, there's no place like home for the holidays. But with higher mortgage rates, inflation, and economic volatility, you probably have many clients that are wondering if now's the best time to buy a home. This is the perfect time of year to remind your clients that the perks of home ownership extend far beyond financial. There are many emotional and personal ones too, which is why this month's Video Agents Need to Record focuses on the non-financial benefits of home ownership. Today, I'm taking a script on this topic from RealTalk by KCM. What's really cool is I was able to do all of this in just a few minutes without having to do any research, writing, or editing. Here's how I did it. With all the headlines about home prices and rising mortgage rates, you may be wondering if it's still worth it to buy a home today. While both have an impact on affordability, you want to remember buying a home is so much more than just a financial decision. Here are just a few of the powerful non-financial benefits of home ownership. When you own a home, you can expect to feel a strong sense of accomplishment, a more meaningful connection to your community, a greater sense of privacy and comfort as you enjoy the features of your home, and the freedom to customize the space and make it truly your own. Even with higher mortgage rates, it can still make sense to buy a home today. That's because home ownership isn't just a financial decision, it's a lifestyle choice too. If you're ready to buy a home, let's connect today because home ownership truly has the power to change your life. And that's all there is to it. There's no other time of year that reminds us of the importance of home more than the holidays. And a video is a great way to make sure you get that message out to your sphere. And remember, you can make your own version of this video by using our script, or you can literally do it in minutes using RealTalk by KCM like we did. You just open up the app, select the script from the archive, record it using your phone, and boom, it's done. It even adds visuals on your screen automatically. RealTalk does all the work for you, no editing required. Best of all, you can try it free for 14 days. Learn more all about it at trykcm.com/RealTalk.